Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll teach you guys how to delete Facebook but keep Messenger. First, open your Facebook app on your phone. Then tap on three lines on the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Settings. Then tap on Accounts Center. Then tap on Personal Details. Then you'll see an option Account Ownership and Control. Go ahead and tap that. Then you'll see two options. Tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Tap on an account you want to delete. Then you'll have two options, Deactivate Facebook Profile or Delete your Facebook profile. Tap on any option you want. Then after filling in your password, you can tap on Continue. And again tap on Continue. Then finally Facebook will ask you to confirm. Tap on Deactivate my profile. Once your Facebook account is deactivated, you can use the Messenger app as usual to chat with your contacts. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you with. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.